Let me ask you a question. What could $565 do with your life? It could be the turning point of your life, because you can invest in more online businesses. You can purchase whatever thing you wanted to purchase. This depends on you and what you wanted to do with that money. So in this video, we are going to earn 100% free $565 without doing anything. 100% free. So stay tuned to learn more and to know how this is working. Hey, welcome back in another new video in the Stephan channel. This is absolutely my channel where I'm sharing with you brand new strategies almost every single day, showing you how you can literally make money online 100% free without doing anything of hard work. This is for beginners, so it doesn't matter where you're from or even how old are you. Anyone in the world can start making money. But what I'm asking you right now to do is just go down right now, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification as well, in order to allow me to send you a notification whenever I come out with a brand new strategy like this one you are watching right now, so that time you won't miss any brand new way to make money online without doing anything. This is something easy and anyone can do it. Of course, let me talk to you a little bit about our today's strategy. We are going to show you how we can literally make almost $565 100% free without doing anything in Autopilot. So what this will require is just two tools. The first tool we are going to see is just of course we are going to use peopleperhour.com. But stop here. I know that maybe you have heard about this website here. Peopleperhour.com is a well-known website of selling services and purchasing other people's services, but this is not what we are going to do. Of course, as I said before, that I have a tool for you that's going to do all the work for you, and you don't have to work anything. You don't going to do anything. Just keep watching till the end. Don't try to skip anything, or even don't try to take the name of this website and to try to go there, try to figure it out yourself how it's working. And of course, at the end of this video, I have a bonus for you on how to make more money without doing something hard. It's easy and you can do it. Of course, let's come back here. Live your work dream. Peopleperhour.com is the first website that we are going to use in order to start making money. So you aren't going to sell anything, you aren't going to do any services here or to list it and start waiting other people to purchase it. Nothing of that. So just keep watching to know what's the secret. Be one click on sign up. You are going to get this homepage right here. Start living your work dream. If you want to be if you want to hire a freelancer, or if you wanted to work as a freelancer, only by one click on sign up with Facebook or sign up with your email address, you are going to have a brand new account on this website, and that way you have all the permissions to start making some money online. And of course, this is 100% free and working worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're from, or it doesn't matter that if you need to invest your money. Nothing to do with that. Of course, if you come back to the homepage of People Per Hour right here, you will find the blue search here. Click on it and click on search projects, and once you are given this homepage right here, so of course click on all categories right here, select on design. And let me tell you something, you don't have to be expert on designing or editing, nothing of that. So just keep watching. I have a tool that's going to do all the work for you, and they have a secret that's going to make you the most money. Of course, scroll down the page right here, you are going to find a company logo design. Click on it right here, and as you see that they are going to pay you $130 just to create one logo, and I'm going to show you how we can do that 100% free professional logo without having experience designing or editing. None of that. So just keep watching again. Don't try to skip anything. But first of all, if you didn't subscribe yet, go down right now, subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification as well, in order to allow me to send you a notification whenever I come out with a brand new strategy like this one you are watching right now. And of course, as you see right here, this is the description of what this person wants in the logo and everything right here. But it's just a company logo design. It's something easy. You are going to get paid fixed price right here. It's just $100. It doesn't matter, because I'm going to show you how we can get unlimited professional logos, so you can sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, all the services selling platforms. So it doesn't matter that you have to use People Per Hour, but because I found this offer here, this service here, that this person wants this logo design for $100, so this is your opportunity to make the most money. But let me remind you again that if you didn't subscribe yet, go down right now, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification as well. So of course, you know right now that we have to design a logo. We are using peopleperhour.com. We have just created a brand new account right here, and this is the time to jump to the other website that we are going to use. So of course, in order to do all the process to make it done, you have to find a platform that's going to design for you professional logos. Of course, you aren't going and you are not required to go there, try to figure it out yourself and try to find the platform. I found it for you. It's canva.com, canva.com. It's the platform and almost the website that's going to design for you professional designs and professional logos 100% free. Just come here. As you see that this person wants a logo, click and create down logo, and you are going to find the suggest for your logo with unlimited sizes, so you can just enter the name this person wants on his logo, and congratulations, you have it 100% free without paying anything or investing anything. It's working worldwide. So I really think that if you appreciate the hard work we are doing right now, go down, subscribe to this channel and give me a like. So here let's for example change the information and the details of any logo right here. For example, let's select this one right here and change all the names and the descriptions and add everything about this logo right here. You can click and change the name right now. For example, I changed it to Stephan right here, and you can change the store, you can change it to whatever the description you want. If you don't want to add this right here, you want to delete this one, you want to change it, upload your own right here, click on photos or click on templates. You have here unlimited elements if you wanted to add it to your logo right here. This is the description, and we have here videos if you want to upload something right here. They have background, everything. If you wanted to upload, of course, your photos, images, you can just come here and upload it and start editing. Of course, once you finish everything and editing the image you wanted to edit, the logo you wanted to edit, you can download it, and also it's 100% free. So once you finish editing and adding all the names you wanted to edit, just come up the page right here, click on download and download the logo 100% free, working worldwide, so you don't have to pay anything. If you like the idea, you like the video, go down, give me a thumbs up right now and subscribe to my channel. And I think that just come here, download the logo, copy it, and come to the person who needs it right here, give a proposal, sign up your account and give all the descriptions, and download and upload your logo and start waiting this person to respond to you. And I promise you, because once he see that your logo is so professional, he's going to answer you. That way you have this opportunity to make $100 for each logo you make. So I think that this is the end of this video, and this is the time to give you the bonus that I was talking about at the beginning of this video. Of course, the bonus is this strategy right here. It's working worldwide and it's going to make you the most money. Of course, it's 100% free. You don't have to invest your money. You are going to make the most money. Watch it right now. You won't regret. I promise you. Go right now, watch it.